Welcome to a new video on the channel. I have got another Star Wars Unlimited Legends of the Force Carbonite Edition booster box unboxing for you. I have already opened one. This is my second box to see if we can find some awesome legendary cards and possibly a serialized or numbered card in here as well. I will let you know that I purchased mine from the Card Vault. Exceptional service from them, really good packaging. They got these to me nice and fast as well. I can really recommend them if you want to purchase this set or indeed some other trading cards. Check out the links down in the video description. So let's get this unboxed. It's a fresh box. We have got, I believe it is 12 booster packs in here. So very nice artwork on the box as well. Looks superb. These came out of a case as well, so it was a sealed case. And if it's important to you, this is the number on the back of my box here. So 12 booster packs in here, and then I believe it is 16 cards per pack. So let's open this up and see if we can be lucky with some awesome pulls. Now, unlike the regular booster packs, this is the Carbonite edition. So we're going to get more special finish cards in here, plus of course the chance of a serialized card as well. So let's start with pack number one and see what we can pull. So pack number one, always exciting. We have got some chase cards that we're looking for in here as well. We start with a common card. Very cool, Third Sister. And then we have got Thralls of Coven. And then our next common is the Wheel of the Force. And then our next common is Supremacy Tie. And then our next common is Inquisitor's Lightsaber. Then we're on to our uncommons, Caretaker Matron. And then we have got Sith Legionnaire. Again, gorgeous artwork, brilliant foiling. And then we have got our first rare Mystic Monastery. And then another uncommon, Merrin. Back to our commons, Pounce. Crushing Blow. Uncommon, Ezra Bridger. Then S, which I believe means it's a starter deck card. Now, I'm not sure why we're getting starter deck cards inside the Carbonite booster boxes. These aren't available in regular booster boxes apparently. If I've got this right, we've just got a starter card. Then we have got our next rare, which is Eye of Sion. And then this is a common, but it looks beautiful. Look at this. Very nice indeed. This is Jedi Knight. And then our uncommon, Luthen Rail. So no legendary in that first pack. Let's move on to pack number two. So we have got Grand Inquisitor. Last words. Dark Probe Droid or DRK-1. Banking Clan Shuttle. Crushing Blow. Savage Oppress. 3 Lessons. Babu Frick as our rare. Look at that artwork. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. And we got another rare, Luke Skywalker. I pulled that out of the first box as well. Love it. Acolyte of the Beyond, Army of the Dead, Overpower, Merrin, and then another rare, Deathfield, oops, and then Jedi Temple Guards, and then Baylan Skull. Next pack. We are on the chase for one of the serialized cards. Come on. We know we can do this. So we start with Ahsoka Tano, Hyperspace Wayfarer, Fallen Jedi, Jedi Starfighter, Lifewind Sage, Shatterpoint, Maz Kanata, first rare Axe Woves, another uncommon there. We're back to a common here, the Will of the Force, Whirlwind of Power, Kelleran Beck, Luthen Rail, always 2 as our legendary, so that's our first legendary pull. And then we're back to our common there, which is Blue Squadron Assault Wing. Oh, that looks nice. Love the artwork on that. Look at that. The foiling is beautiful on that. Okay, next pack. For this pack I will not speak. I will let you enjoy the artwork. I will just chime in if we pull something special. That's a really nice card. I like that. And our last card in that pack was Size Matters Not as our rare. So very cool artwork again. Let's move on to the next pack. Supreme Leader Snoke. Go into hiding. Tukata, Youngling Padawan, Grappling Guardian, Flight of the Inquisitor, Plo Koon, March Cheon Ro. That's our legendary. Very, very nice card. Anakin Skywalker, Disturbance of the Force, Jedi Guardian, Thralls of the Coven, The Precarious Predicament, or A Precarious Predicament, Vernestra Ro. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. Awakened Spectres. And Focus Determines Reality. So we are halfway through. After I've revealed these cards, we are officially halfway through. These are our commons, uncommons, our first rare, legendary Grogu, very cool. Still yet to pull a serialized card. Then common, we got a few more commons in here, some uncommon, or one uncommon there. We've got Yaddle as our rare, Sorcerous Blast. Oh, that's nice. Did we just get a double legendary in this pack? We did. Bendu, Very, very cool. A little bit of a bent card as well. Bendu, you bended your card. But that is very, very nice. Look at the eyes. Very cool. So double legendary in that pack. So we're officially halfway through. Let's crack through this next one. We'll go through this pack a little bit quicker. Legendary, very nice. Quingo Jin, very, very nice card. Another legendary, so a double legendary pack again with Marchion Row. So had some good pulls there. Got some nice legendary cards. Still on the chase for a serialized card. Can we do it? Oh. Whilst I'm unboxing these or unpacking these, it is hot. We are currently experiencing a heat wave. I am extremely hot. I have never sweated so much, but this has made it all worthwhile. Legendary Yoda. Very, very cool. Wow, that is my favourite pull so far. Very cool. That's nice as well though. That's just an uncommon. I love the foiling on these. Very nice artwork. They've done an exceptional job on the artwork on all of them. Wow, that's nice as well. That is a rare. And then we finish off with one of the S cards or starter cards, Scimitar. Wow, that was a good pull. Love it. I will sleeve all of these after the video, so do not worry. Any of the really good pulls will be sleeved. We've got a few packs left. Let's go through this one a little bit quicker for you. So we got commons. Then our uncommons. That's nice. I think this is referred to as a rare showcase card. Very, very nice. That's a nice rare as well. Trust in your instincts. Legendary Zuckus, the Findsman. Very cool. Wow, we got some good pulls in this. No serialized cards yet, as far as I've seen, unless I've missed it. But again, very, very cool artwork. A nice mix. Very, very cool. Absolutely love it. Next pack. Imagine if I cut through a card. Oh my goodness. That would be terrible. I've never done it yet. Never done it yet. Oh, that's nice. Wow. That is really cool artwork. That's just a rare. Love that. I would definitely sleeve that one. Then we got some commons. And then our uncommons. Rare. Another uncommon there. Another common. Common. And then uncommon. Then we've got our legendary Grogu. And then common. Oh, another legendary Yoda, the same one as we just pulled. Very nice. Wow. So my favourite card out of this pack so far, and I pulled it twice. How cool is that? Very, very cool. Okay, next pack, the penultimate pack. What can we pull in this one? That's nice. We were good start there with our commons. Nice artwork again. Oh, that's nice. Graceful Purrgil. And then our uncommons. You have to take some time. I do this after the video sometimes. I go back through them and really pay attention to some of the artwork because it is really nice. They've done such a good job. So it's good to appreciate, regardless of the rarity of the card. it's really nice just to go back and appreciate some of this artwork. I mean, look at that. Very, very cool. Look at that. Stunning. So we're on our last pack. No serialized cards so far, which I must admit I was really hoping, everyone's hoping, but I've still enjoyed it. Still been a good experience. Very, very nice cards overall. Beautiful artwork. Really nice. I'm sure that there's our legendary card, HK47. I'm sure that you will enjoy these cards too. They are just absolutely superb. We have a few more commons. Have we got a good pull at the end of this one? Our rare, common. What's the last one going to be? Oh, that's nice to end on. Very, very nice. We've got Temple of Destruction as our last card. Very, very cool. So we've got some really nice cards here. This was our unboxing of our second box of Star Wars Unlimited Legends of the Force Carbonite edition. I want to thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you want to pick up this for yourself or any other trading card games, then please do check out the links down in the video description. Hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.